Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to repost a story in your Instagram. Let's begin. So, when you wanted to just share again whatever you posted, and this is very applicable for those who has business account in Instagram, wherein they would want to, well, not just business account, but say for example, if you're a celebrity, if you're an influencer, if you're someone who's promoting something, you could always repost the things that you've posted. May it be like, through a story, through a reels, or through like in this manner where you could just post a photo. You can definitely repost that as an Instagram story. So how are you going to do that? It's very easy. All you need to do is just select which photo that you would choose to repost. So in my case, like this one, I would like to promote this particular, seafood for this account. Um, when, okay, for example, I will choose this one. You see the paper plane icon at the lower part of the page or of the screen? If you click on that one, okay, there's an option there that says add post to your story. So when you choose that one, it would immediately lead to your story, guys, and then you can simply edit it how you want it, just like when you usually you'd post your story. So for example, if I want to add a sticker, and then if I want to put an emoji, or if I want to add questions, you can do that. And if I would just wanted to have it as default to just really repost it, just hit on next. Once you're there, you would be able to have your story, and then just hit on share, and then that's it, and then you're done. So when you go to your story, you'll be able that to see that this has been reposted. Okay, if you want to learn more about Instagram, you can always subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.